Have you and your spouse decided to end your marriage? Are you wondering what the next steps are and whether you need a lawyer? If this sounds like your situation and you're reluctant to hire a divorce attorney, keep watching. Here are the reasons why hiring a divorce attorney is worth it. Fair agreement. Perhaps you and your soon-to-be former husband or wife think that you have an agreement that fairly divides your assets and debts between the two of you. An experienced attorney can evaluate this agreement and let you know if it truly is fair for both of you. While you may think that you're getting a fair deal, a divorce attorney can take a critical eye to the agreement, think towards the future, and identify any hidden inequities that put your spouse at an advantage. Remember that their job is to get the best deal for you and create a solid divorce agreement that will stand up in court. Even if you're the party that will benefit more, you still may want to consider rewriting the agreement, as an unfair agreement could be contested in the future if it was grossly unfair to one's spouse. If your spouse decides they didn't get a fair deal, they can go back to court to attempt to reopen the agreement. This will cost time and money, of course. Drafting the agreement. Even if you agree on everything, you'll still need a divorce attorney to draft an agreement that will be accepted by the court. If you do not have legal experience and try to do this on your own, the court may not fully understand your agreement, resulting in a divorce decree that does not accurately state what you and your spouse want. When an attorney drafts the agreement, you can rest assured that the decree will state exactly what you and your spouse want. An attorney will also make sure that the language is clear and enforceable. Filing appropriate paperwork. In addition to drafting the agreement, your attorney will also file any necessary paperwork and motions as part of the divorce process. If you attempt this on your own, you run the risk of your case getting dismissed if you don't file the appropriate paperwork at the right time or you file it incorrectly. While you could attempt this on your own, as most states provide the documents to their citizens free of charge, it is still difficult if you do not have legal expertise. The last thing you want is for your case to get thrown out due to procedural issues. This puts you right back at square one. Emotional support. Your marriage is ending, you have to divide up your assets, you might have to move, and you could be suddenly sharing custody of your child. The last thing you need is the added stress of managing the divorce process in court yourself. While a divorce attorney can't replace a good therapist, they can reduce your stress level and provide emotional support to you. Remember that they are experts and deal with people seeking divorces every day. They know the process inside and out and can provide support when it all gets to be too much to handle. Our firm can handle all aspects of the divorce process for you, from alimony to child custody and support to child visitation arrangements. Contact us today to learn about what our firm can do to support you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.